welcome to the Shelley Studio. Today I have a flip through of an art journal that I have been doing since 2017. I finally finished off the last few pages. It's been hit or miss. It disappeared for a little while, ended up under a cabinet, got lost. Anyway, so it's Dylusions. Back when they first started, I don't know when they first started, but back in 2017, I got me one, and I had some Dina Wakley paints, and so my goal was to fill this with Dina Wakley paint, stamps, stuff. And at the time, she had a Facebook page. I think she still has it, but there was prompts, and the first one I did was "What is your why?" And I'm gonna narrate that. It's a little embarrassing, but I'm gonna read it to you. But I just wanted to describe what's in here. So I have her paints, her stamps, her stencils. I have a few others. I will point them out. Like this one, I did little clusters. Not her stuff, just wanted to add it. Her gloss sprays. These are her stamp stencils, and yeah, just playing around with it. And so I'm gonna read you the little quote, and then I'll tell you a little bit about some of the pages, maybe, just as I flip through. Hopefully, let's see. I want to be straight with the camera. Is that straight? Just as I slowly flip through, so you can see the pages that I created. This one was one of those prompt creations. Anyway, so the prompt she had was, "What is your why?" And I titled it, "Why do I create?" Well, I guess it's all about expression. I'm not very talkative. I wanted to be a writer when I was young, but words never came. Or never come. So instead of words, I use paint. I'm not extremely skilled at that either, but I can say it with color or pattern. Doesn't have to be anything realistic. Art is an expression of self. I make something I like, and some days I just have to pull out paint or pen and just create. So that was my little quote. Don't you love the gloss sprays? That's when the sprays were working properly, and they create this wonderful resist. Oh my gosh. Yeah, I had so much fun with those. This was cleanup of the gloss sprays. And this one was, I wrote those words in gloss spray and then put regular paint over it, and it created a resist. So cool. And yeah, my faces, I know they need work. They just turn out a certain way. They're all very long in the face. More playing with gloss sprays. And like I said, all Dina Wakley paints. This one was a challenge by the makers of Mixed Media Art and Artists Facebook group. They have challenges, and that was one from May, I believe. Color challenge. And then my bird. A bird doesn't sing because it has an answer. It sings because it has a song. Sgraffito. I love how that sgraffito looks. And that's not mine. I cut that out of a magazine. An art magazine, of course. Yeah, it's a meteor or an asteroid. I like my cutouts. Now, a lot of these are videos, so I will see if I can find them all and put them in a playlist. So if you're interested in how any particular one was made, you'll be able to find it there. As you can see the different ones that I created that way. Oh, don't want to miss that one. My favorite weather is bird chirping weather. I heard birds this morning. And yeah, I think my favorite things to do are birds and flowers. Flowers and flowers. And I didn't do these all in order, like I jumped around, so I didn't want to mess up the binding. And so they say you should like not go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So they are like sporadic around. And I took Dina's magenta, turquoise, and lemon and did a little color wheel with that, just to see what kind of colors I'd get out of it. And this one has so many layers. It's like hard. It's got, this was sketched on paper with Stabilo and water, and then there's a layer of tissue down there, and then paint and stenciling. And then on the other side there's another layer of Tim Holtz tissue. So that particular piece is really hard. And this one I think I put tissue to cover up the flowers that weren't looking so pretty. I think this is a leftover paint page is what this is. And that one just stands out because it's just like totally different. And that one's from 2021. More of her gloss sprays. Another cutout. So much fun to do the cutouts. And I just used the materials taken out of these two to create, of course, that, and then all these circles. And art. She's a little dinged up. It's been around for a while. The book's been around for a while. More of the sprays. This is my own creation, my own stencil creation. I think at this point the white wasn't spraying out very well, but the idea was to make a resist out of that, or go over. I think I was going over. It's hard to tell. And this one, that didn't do so well, but you know, art journals are for exploring and figuring things out. Another one of the Dylusions sprays. Had a lot of fun with those Dylusions sprays. And this is the last page. So there is finally a finished, completed flip through of a journal. Haven't done that in quite a while. I hope you liked it. Tell me, leave me a comment. And yeah, if you want to see any of these, the playlist will be in the description box below. You can check it out. Thank you all for watching. I hope you have an awesome day.